guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Sky Organics Bubble Box. Oh my gosh, this is like one of my favorite bath boxes right now because for the amount of money that you pay, it's $19.25 a month, you get some amazing organic, cruelty-free bath items. So now they do usually have, this is their Heart of Gold box. They do usually have online. Like last month, I know I did this unboxing and you guys were like, well, what's in there? Like I didn't know the like what they're called or the scents or anything. You can go online, they put that all online, and they're not wasting the paper. They each contain 4 items. There's bath bombs, shower steamers, there's like, they put it on here, and bubble cakes. So, it smells super like floral, but also there's something in here that's like creamy and like kind of fruity. So here's our bath bomb. These almost smell like candy. Their bath bombs are the bomb. See what I did there? Then we have one of these. These are shower steamers. This is like a violet scent, like a violet mint. Do you know what I'm talking about? A violet mint? Have you guys ever had a shower? It's violet mint. Those are my favorite. But this is really, I'm excited to use this one. Last month's where there was a lot of peppermint. There was a lot of like Christmassy scents. These are more like florally, like a very creamy decadent. And then this is a little bath bomb. I think this is more like a bubble bomb. It looks like it, but it's got this gold, the glitter in it. How pretty. This smells like it's gonna have like a creamy, more like a amber scent. It's pretty. And then we have our little, this is a bubble, like a bubble bath thing. You put this in and it makes bubbles. It makes your water all creamy. This smells like Mr. Bubble, like in a way, but it's wrapped really well, so it might have another like scent that I'm not picking up. But look at how cute it is. Oh, so isn't it like the cool? Can I just say something without my mouth tripping over itself? This is like the cutest little box for 19 bucks. You get all 4 of these items. They're so high quality. They're vegan. They're cruelty-free. They're organic. I love this company. And everything comes so nicely packaged. Now, it does come in another, like, box. So it's not, like, just willy-nilly like this. Because I know, like, in the mail, this would just get trashed. But it comes so nice. I think it's just such a sweet treat. And it's a great gift for Valentine's Day. So if you're interested, please do check out the full blog review. I'll try to make some demo videos of the bombs. I think I did that last month, but I don't remember. Maybe not. It was like Christmas time, kind of all over the place. So if you're interested, check out the full blog review below, and also check out Sky Organics. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.